Hi, hello, welcome to Yoke's Talk English. Thank you so much for supporting my videos, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you like my videos, give me a like and share my videos with others. In this video, I would just want to share some important update in America. Before that, just a quick disclaimer that I'm just sharing the news based on my research, and I'm just going through a lot of newspapers, but I'm not an immigration consultant. So this is a disclaimer. I'm not an immigration consultant, and I am not any immigration attorney or expert or anything. So this video is purely for educational purpose, just sharing information. Okay, let's continue to the video. The new rule that has implemented by Trump's government, which has started from April 11th, so that's strictly taken over from the day. You will be fined 5,000 if you don't follow this. What are those? Number one, you must carry your visa status document. Not visa document. Visa document is basically in your passport. So that is to travel United States and come back, you will use your passport stamp. But sometimes your stamp might expire. Still you are living in United States based on your status, which is that, for example, a student F1 status, H1, L1, whatever the status, I-94, I-20 or some sort of document you must carry at all times. This is a mandatory rule. There is no way that you cannot say, excuse, sorry, I forgot, I didn't have it with me, I am not carrying it. So you must carry. Okay. And the important thing that in that particular document, you must make sure all your dependents are included in that document. Let's say you have a family of a wife and 2 children. Your status document must show everybody dependent on you. Either way, if husband is dependent on a wife, wife is dependent on a husband, doesn't matter, vice versa. So you must carry a document which should display all your dependents in the documents. So if you are not carrying those documents, definitely you will be fined $5,000. $5,000 according to that, whatever the law is implemented. So the next one, if you change your address, you must notify USCIS within 10 days. That is a mandatory rule. A lot of IT employees, they will go around when they get a project in Dallas or project in Chicago or project in somewhere else or project in Florida. So you will move the houses, or maybe you rent the house and you buy another house and you will move from there. So you must make sure within 10 days you have to update your address in USCIS. Failing to do that will get a fine of $5,000 as well. Okay, so this is very important because a lot of non-immigrant people, they are not following this, they are not updating. If you take it as a student, some of the students actually, they are out of status, or they move the houses once they finish their masters, and they will go and find somewhere, maybe they go to find a job somewhere else, but they maintain the address from previous house or their friend's house or somewhere. But that is not possible anymore. Wherever you are, you must update your address. If you get any letter, that letter should straight away come to you, not to your previous address. And the next one, any of you have the children, above the 14 years, as soon as they touch the 14 years, you will have to register the children biometrics. Failing to do that will impose $5,000 fine. So apparently what this rule is, basically, this is a rule, this is a law, not a rule, a law implemented at the time of World War II, Alien Act registration. This is called as a Smith Act. This was previously there in United States, but all these days not many people are, the governments are not seriously taking into consideration. But now Trump government is introducing this, not introducing, but they are following it now, seriously following it, and they say from 11th of April everybody have to follow this law. This was designed in almost in 1940s, I think, at the time of World War II, after the World War II. Since then, They are following. Those days they followed very seriously, but after a few years, then everything gone under the carpet and nobody was taking seriously. But now Trump government wanted to take very seriously. Why? Because as of the 2022 statistics, around 54 lakhs of Indians are in United States. Maybe last 2-3 years, maybe another 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, including students, H1s, L1s. We add another 5 lakhs, roughly take it as a 60 lakhs. So they have count of around 60 lakhs of Indians. Out of those, around 2 to 3 lakhs, they think illegals are staying in the United States. These people they came on a document, I mean, on the valid status. But once the status is, for example, I give you F1. After the F1 status, you run out, you don't get a job, you don't get a OTP. Still, a lot of students are staying back and working as a part-time jobs or maybe full-time jobs. They are just ignoring the education. So this become an undocumented migrant. So that is the reason they have introduced this particular rule. Now they are following that everybody have to register, and then they have to, I'll quickly give a recap. First of all, everybody have to register. If they change, if you change your address within 10 days, you must notify USCIS. And the next one, children above 14 years must be registered. Okay. And the third one, mainly if you are going out somewhere, you must at all times, you must carry your document of status document, not the visa document, as I said. So your status document must be carried at all times. If you don't follow these three, you will be fined $5,000, and there may be a chance that you will be deported or detained by ICE. Never know, but I'm not 100% sure on this. But fine is definitely confirm $5,000 if you don't carry a document. Okay, friends, this is what I just want to share in this video. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.